Welcome. So how about some tech updates right here on the show on a Monday? Spotify tries making its app easier to use. Now, you know that app, of course, is a music streaming app. And after recently tweaking its design and giving its logo a little boost, it's, of course, to better showcase podcasts. Spotify has announced it is giving its entire mobile experience a refreshed look and feel, starting initially with the iOS app. Both Spotify free and premium users will notice the app has a more consistent, streamlined look, new in-app icons, changes to how it converts art displays, and more. The app has a simpler universal shuffle button, which now saves you a click by letting you tap once to start shuffling songs and playing them. You know, this is, I mean, it's radio, everything is eventually going to just happen on our mobile devices, and the traditional radio that we know is going to become like Spotify and other apps. Anyway, Google Earth, you know that app, finally it's available on browsers other than Chrome. Google Earth, Google itself is going to be opening up its web-based version of Earth to browsers like Firefox, Edge, and Opera, and that was last week, Friday. Now, before now, you could only go on Google Earth using the Chrome browser, but now you can launch Google Earth from any browser. And originally, this Google Earth was launched on the web back in 2017, and then its desktop acts at the same time. Google says, we are big supporters of open web standards. But Earth launched on the web with Chrome only. Now, it was a native client. It was almost like incorporated into the Chrome itself. But at the time, it was just that kind of technology, and it wasn't available to support other browsers. Now, this resulted in Earth becoming one of the first of many Chrome-only sites from Google. But now it's available everywhere. Now, if you've never tried the Google Earth app before on any browser, I think you should try it out this week. It's amazing. It is so real. It gives you an actual view using satellite of what a street will look like or a city that you've never visited. It's always very, very nice. So check it out. Up next, Apple reportedly is releasing an iPad keyboard with a trackpad. Wow. And that's going to be happening later this year. And the iPad keyboard with a built-in trackpad that is going to be coming later this year. And this is according to information that this new accessory is likely going to be released alongside the next version of the iPad Pro. Adding a trackpad to an iPad keyboard would be yet another move from Apple to bring functionality typically associated with a laptop to the company's popular tablet line. You know, I think it'll be interesting to see when we now have, you know, like a proper keyboard to go with your iPad. It'll be nice and fancy. It'll be harder to carry, I think. Probably you're going to be needing a laptop bag after this. We'll see how that goes. Very nice, very nice. Apple products are always so amazing. Now, self-driving shuttle company has been ordered to stop carrying passengers after an injury occurred. Now, let me tell you what happened. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration in the U.S. has partially suspended the U.S. operations of France's Easy Mile after a passenger in Ohio was injured while riding in one of the company's self-driving shuttles. Now, Easy Mile can continue operating its shuttles while, of course, the agency investigates, but the company can't carry any passengers. That's amazing. I didn't even know that they were operational already, but apparently they are. And just a few hitches, I'm sure they'll be back on the road after a few things have been clarified. So self-driving cars are now a reality on many of the international cities. I wonder when it's going to come to Lagos. A self-driving cab, you just go into it and it carries you where you want to go. Wow, absolutely amazing. And for those of you who you don't like talking to a driver, some of those Uber drivers can be very talkative. So yeah. Anyway, Tempo is a smart home gym that uses computer vision to track your form in real time. Now, it's no secret that the Peloton boom is in full effect with connected fitness equipment ranging from smart bikes to treadmills, rowing machines, boxing bags, and weight training stations. Now, while they all feature some kind of streamable fitness class that you can watch from the device as you work out, one thing they all are missing is the ability to tell you if you're doing exercise properly. Now, Tempo is pitching something different. It's another connected fitness machine that has classes you can stream live or on demand, but it comes with Microsoft's Azure Kinect built in to track your form in real time during exercise. That is so cool. This is so nice. So now, from home, you can have a fitness instructor. You can do it on demand. You can also join a class while you're doing your fitness. So instead of it getting really boring and you becoming demotivated, now when you're working out, you can have somebody on the other side who's telling you, hey, you're doing well. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep your energy up and whatever else needs to happen. So yeah, I think it's really, really good. This is one of the things that, this is where the future is going. So you don't have to physically go to the gym. Bring the gym to your house and you can participate in any gym classes in Nigeria, across the world. I think it's very nice, very, very nice. So these are some of the tech updates. The one I'm really particularly interested in is the self-driving taxis. Really nice. And of course, you can see, we can see footage of the gym there where you can stream live in any gyms around, any number of gyms that are using this app around the world. Anyway, I think that's about all that we can take on our tech updates. I'm wondering what's happening in the kitchen with Mary. It looks like things are shaping up over there.